Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a website for your roofing company using Mighty Sites. It's a super easy to use system. So if you're a roofing contractor and you're looking to make a website for your business, this video is going to show you exactly how. So let me share my screen. I go over here to mightysites.com and I click on Start Free Trial. And from there, I just go down to my business type. So I can click on start free trial, or I can click on launch. I can go over here and click on my business type right away to select the contractor template. Basically, I click on contractor and then I select my contractor type. So there's all sorts of different contractor types. Obviously, we're doing roofing contractors today. So I click right here on roofing contractor. And the first thing that it's going to do is ask me to put in my business name. So my business name is, let's just call it Keegan's Roofing Company. Let's just say it's in Raleigh, Carolina. And my business type, it is a service business. So I'm going to click continue. And just like that, Mighty Sites is going to generate a simple professional website for my roofing company. So you can see as I scroll down through here, this website has already been generated with images, text, descriptions, all of that, even a simple contact form so that people can get in touch with my business and hire me for my services. So all of this is super easy to edit after this. So if I want to just click here on update section, I can add an address, email address, phone number, postal code. I can add social media links. So if I want to add my social media links, you'll see how easy this is. They just populate right here in the upper right-hand corner of the site as soon as I add them. So that's super easy to do. I can update any of the links. So if this menu looks good, great. If I want to edit where any of these link to, I can choose for them to link to a new place. I can also update my logo, just browse my computer and add my business logo right there, nice and easy. I can update my contact information again here. Or if I want to move my menu items around too, let's just say that I want them in a different order for some reason, I can save my menu, and you can see now the About Us has moved to the other section. Can also add a new menu item. So if I want to add another website or link to contact information or link to something else, I can do that too. That's super easy to edit. I can update this main hero image too. So if I want to change around the links, or if I want to update this and browse and just add another picture from my computer, I can do that. That's really easy. And then I can edit the picture too. Mighty Sites has really great editing tools to allow me to just edit and crop the picture, resize it, all of those types of things. Let's just say that I want to add more text in this section. Maybe there's something specific I want to say, like, this is a great website template for roofing companies, right? Something like that. You can type that in, click save. Really easy to just see how you're editing the site on the front end. If I want, I can get rid of that and it'll go away. And now that text has disappeared. Let's just say I want the contact button. Right now it links to the contact form, which is a great way to do it. But let's just say I want to do something different there. Perhaps I want that to link to, them to immediately call. I can do click to call. I can upload a PDF there. If I want them to download rates or something like that, I can link to a different section of my website to change any of that. But right now I like linking to the lead form section. So I'll just save that and close it for now. Now I can also go here, update my About Us, or change any of these images really quickly and easily. If I have a picture of myself on the job or my company logo, things like that, I can just quickly upload those and change them out. If my services, these are all pre-populated for you just to make the process of building a website really easy. But if any of those, you want them to look or say something different, you can edit those. Whenever somebody contacts your business for services, this is going to automatically send a lead right to the back end of your website so that customers who are looking for you can get in touch really quickly and easily, and you can get all their contact information and their message so you can turn them into paying customers for your business. So just like that, you can have a simple professional website for your roofing company using Mighty Sites. And now if you want to change the colors too, that's pretty easy to do. So let's just say that your company has different colors. You can click over here and just click through the different color themes, find one that really works for you and fits your business logo and style. There are tons of different color themes here that you can pick from, just depending on the look that you're going for and what works for your business too. So tons of different color options, more being added all the time for you to choose from. And then once you're ready to go and the website's all set for you, go right here to stop editing and return to the site dashboard. And right here, like I mentioned, in this section, this is where you'll see your leads when they come through. You'll get name, email, phone number, and then you can click to see their message. You can connect a custom domain. So if you own myroofingcompany.com or some website URL like that, you paste it in there, and then it's really easy to connect it using Google Domains, GoDaddy, domain.com, all of the major domain players. You can update your social links or your location information right here. So let's just say I want to add my phone number, but I forgot to do it on the front end. No problem, super easy to do. And then if I want to just go right back and update my site again, I just click on update and I can return to updating my site right here, just like I was. So it's a really, really easy system to edit and update. And then whenever I'm done updating, I can just return to the site dashboard and I can get my business payment information. It's only $9 a month for the site. That includes web hosting, it includes a secure certificate, it includes the ability to connect a custom domain, it includes the front end editor, it includes the website template. So for a roofing company that's looking to make a website, this is a really great deal. It's really simple and easy to use and deploy this. You'll be getting leads in no time. This is the Mighty Site system. It's only $9 a month, and that's how you make a website for a roofing company or roofing contractor.